Let's go for a walk in the backyard here. And this is November, and this is my bird feeder that I built a long time ago. If you want to know how to build one of these, I'll put a link down below in the description. And I'm going to talk about this pipe here. Now, of course, this is the PVC pipe that I made this out of. And take a look there. You would never believe that a squirrel can climb up here and jump on there. But all I've done is take a little bit of flashing and I've screwed this on just with, you can see right there, 3 screws. It's just a piece of aluminum flashing, held it on there. And I've been watching this for a week now, and the squirrels have been going up here. They try to cross onto here and fall down. So this is squirrel proof so far, and it's worked terrific. And if you take a look here, the feeder has been working terrific, and the birds love it. The squirrels can't get to it because in the beginning they were jumping on here and just making a huge mess, and a pile of bird seed was just getting wasted. So this is the resolve that I had for making my bird feeder squirrel proof. Well, I hope you like that idea. It was a very simple project to build that bird feeder out of that PVC pipe. You can get it at any of your local building supply stores. It's worked out terrific, and only the birds are eating the seed now. And of course, your seeder will go a long way compared to the squirrels getting on there and constantly dumping it over the side. And of course, that feeder with the holes I put in it just keeps on pouring out, right? So how long do I get now on my seed? Well, I go 2 weeks, roughly about 2 weeks before I have to fill it up again. The birds love it, and I love the birds. So thanks for joining me here today. If you haven't seen this channel before, you're welcome to subscribe and take a look at some other projects that I've built in the past, and I'll put some links at the end here of some of them as well. You guys take care. Cheers.